Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Ever seen that PS5 under maintenance message pop up? Don't worry, it's a very normal part of keeping the PlayStation network running smoothly. Sony occasionally takes the network offline for scheduled updates and vital improvements. This ensures a more stable, secure, and reliable experience for all players. Typically, these periods are brief and well communicated, letting you get back into your favorite games quickly. Your very first move should always be checking the official PlayStation Network Service status page. A quick search online will take you directly there. This page gives you real-time updates on any widespread outages or scheduled maintenance events happening right now. It's truly the quickest way to confirm if the problem is on their end, rather than something specific to your console or setup. If the PSN status shows everything's fine, try a few basic steps on your end. Start by completely restarting your PlayStation 5. Sometimes, a simple reboot is all it takes to clear a temporary glitch. Then, give your home router and modem a quick power cycle too. Just unplug them for about 10 seconds, then plug them back in. This often refreshes your network connection. You might also want to run an internet connection test directly from your PS5 settings. It can help pinpoint if your console is having trouble connecting to your network. But honestly, if it's confirmed maintenance, the best fix is often just patience. These periods are always temporary, so give it a little time. There's usually no need for any drastic measures like factory resets. To stay ahead, follow PlayStation's official social media accounts. They often post announcements about scheduled maintenance there first. You might even find options to set up notifications for future updates. Being informed helps you plan your gaming sessions, reducing any unexpected downtime. It's all about making your gaming experience as smooth as possible, now and into the future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.